It's like 8:30. I didn't realize it was gonna be so late, or I was gonna sleep so late. Time to go. Let the truck warm up a little bit. I got to trundle across this field. Trundle. I'm more awake now. It's starting to rain. I'm sad to be leaving. This is a cool place to stay. Well, we're on the road again. Get Willie Nelson on the radio. Does anybody listen to the radio anymore? Anyway, on the road. It's rainy, well, not rainy, it's overcast and misty, but it's 46 degrees, better than Amarillo's 18. Oh man, it's a skunk. Man, that was a fresh skunk. Anyway, wouldn't that suck to hit a skunk? Would your car stink forever? Like, for real, not even joking. Something you see on the internet, but you don't, that's not real. I'm driving along this little road going 60. It's like a little highway in Texas, right? I look over, there's a dog standing at the edge of the road over there, like an Australian Shepherd or something. Cute little dog just sitting there looking back and forth, cars are going by. He looks both ways after I go by and then trots across the road. He was waiting for traffic. That's just funny, man, I don't know. 3/4 of a mile and we will reach our destination. I see a big red schoolhouse. I'm home and I'm finally set up. Want a quick tour? This is where I'm going to be for the next 5 weeks. My second bathroom, because I'm all bougie that way. Nice. Second bathroom. I'm using it for shoes. That's my shoe storage and stuff and things. Anyway, I'll use it if anybody comes to visit, like my dad or whoever. It's a little dark, but that is set up as my little office. The bed that slides down is up there, and I'll use that if anybody comes to visit. So we'll move from our guest room / office / garage / whatever you want to call it. We're gonna move to the living room, all right? Coming in from the garage, my couch. I don't have a neighbor now, but I will, I'm sure. So then we got our kitchen. Big old fridge. I need to go to Walmart. You know why I need to go to Walmart? Because there's like nothing in my fridge. So after this, we're going to Walmart. Television and little heater fireplace. That little electric fireplace is awesome. I plan on using that a lot, so I don't have to use propane. There's a loft up there I'm using for storage right now. Ooh, a Van Lee beacon. Hello. You can be my friend. Let's go head up to the bathroom and the bedroom area. Come on. All right. Yep, it's a bathroom. And we've got stuff. All right, yeah, there you go. And my closet. Comfy bed. Oh, hello there. How you doing? All right. Those cool blue lights. You wish you were me. Probably not. All right. That's home for the next 5 weeks. Let's go, Walmart. You know how to tell something about a town before you move there? Go shop at the Walmart. I'm just kidding, but it's true. All right, I just learned 2 things in this Walmart in Texas. Number 1, mothballs are still a thing, and they're a prominent thing. Weird. Which reminded me of my grandma growing up. She always had mothballs, so that made me nostalgic. Okay, and then the other thing I learned is apparently you have to be 18 to buy windshield washer fluid, and the lady said it's because people drink it. Well, alrighty then, I'm getting wasted tonight on Rain-X. I'm a little sad. I miss Beck and the kids. Feels kind of lonely here right now because there's nothing. I mean, I don't know anybody. Well, enough of that sad crap. All right, I'm gonna get to doing a little editing and maybe get this video out. It's gonna be pretty short, so bye.